Located in the historic railway neighborhood of Mendoza, Argentina, Martinez 3458 building stands as a unique interpretation of modern architecture blended with the local character. This area is known for its low-density population, showcasing the distinctive garden neighborhood style with ample green spaces around homes. Designed by Primer Piso Arquitectos, Martinez 3458 building maximizes a 9.5-meter wide by 28-meter deep lot while respecting the neighborhood scale. Composed of 4 housing units, each with 2 rooms, this building skillfully balances efficient land use with harmony within the neighborhood. One of the main challenges of this project was to create sufficient residential space while staying within the area's low floor area ratios, FOS and FOT. To achieve this, the building is placed along the municipal line, leaving space at the front for gardens and parking. This configuration allows the building to meet the residents' needs while preserving the garden neighborhood identity, where open green spaces are highly valued. To maintain privacy between units while allowing natural light to enter, the architects employed winnowing techniques or screening. This is achieved through large windows that extend the resident's view to the outside, giving the illusion of more expansive space. Additionally, brick screens are strategically placed around these openings to filter light, enhance privacy, and add visual depth. This design allows soft, natural light to flood in while still providing a sense of enclosure and privacy for the residents. The brick screens also create a warm, inviting atmosphere throughout the building. The building's design offers a unique solution to create privacy for each resident, even though all units share one structure. Each unit is provided with private and shared courtyards that support natural cross-ventilation and abundant natural light, making the spaces feel airy and inviting. While each unit shares the same layout, consisting of 2 rooms and a living area, unique details add character to each one, whether in spatial organization or facade treatment, creating a harmonious yet personalized feel throughout the building. Martinez 3458 building prioritizes durability and ease of maintenance, using traditional materials such as exposed brick, concrete, wood, and natural-toned ceramic tiles. These materials add both aesthetic warmth and longevity, requiring minimal upkeep. For instance, exposed brickwork is used creatively to add texture and different shades across both interior and exterior spaces. Textured walls, curved elements, and round windows allow natural light to enter from various angles throughout the day, creating a dynamic and visually rich environment for the entire building. A distinctive design feature is the use of curved shapes that serve as a guide for circulation and space differentiation. The first curve appears at the main entrance wall, creating a welcoming and soft transition into the complex. This curve motif is repeated throughout the building, particularly along the stairway walls, connecting the floors and creating smooth spatial transitions. Within the interiors, these curves help distinguish different areas, adding to the harmonious and flowing atmosphere that brings a sense of ease and comfort to the home. complex entrance, a vertical garden on a brick wall is filled with green plants, adding natural warmth to the building. This area not only adds an inviting touch for residents and visitors, but also brings a lively, nature-inspired element into the overall design. This garden serves as a defining feature of the project, representing the entire concept of a harmonious blend between nature and modern architecture, providing a refreshing entryway into the building. Overall, Martinez 3458 building is an inspiring example of a modern residence that combines aesthetic appeal with consideration for the environment and residents' comfort. This project demonstrates how effective land use, thoughtful design, and the right materials can create a beautiful, comfortable, and environmentally conscious home. From curved elements and brick screens to the vertical garden, every detail is crafted to offer residents an optimal living experience. For those seeking inspiration in housing designs that prioritize both privacy and openness with a natural touch, this project offers much to admire.